nation that keeps conducting elections every few months is a nation constantly distracted. But a nation which votes together is always grows together. Respected judges, esteemed guests, and my fellow opponent, worthy opponent, this is code number 19, Vaishnav Vinod Rathod, today standing before you to talk on a very crucial and ignited topic of this era, that is one nation, one election paving the way for Vikasit Bharat. Imagine a Bharat where governance is uninterrupted, where policies are not disrupted by politics, not a mere election slogan and not a mere election dream. One vision, one nation, one election, a vision so strong, so bold, so transformative that it can bring changes in the society. Today, we are on the third stage in the terms of economy, but by coming 2047, when we'll be completing 100 years of our independence, we will be on the first stage after China and USA. When I talk about one nation, one election, a thought which randomly comes in my mind is about what are the progress. Being youth, as a responsible youth of India and a proud citizen, it's my due responsibility to talk on the both sides because as every coin has two sides, we have even need to talk about positive and negative sides. Imagine, imagine India where, according to reports, 55 to 60,000 crores are spent. That is 45% of the total expenditure. If these are invested into world-class education, advanced healthcare, not only in cities but in rural areas, isn't it a big change? Today we are talking on the safety issues, on the tourism. If this 45% of the total expenditure are why we are not using in our Vikasit Bharat. It can also reduce the political stability, allowing government to focus on long-term goals rather than short-term vote bank politics. The government machinery, the Election Commission of India, and the security forces can even now breathe as they won't have to work all year around. As a youth, I see concerns. What, can fear of change stop Bharat from progressing? Critics argue that many regional parties may lose their influence. But my dear friends, is this about is the governance about an election or a region? Many ask about federalism, but when state and center comes together, there comes grow together. We actually call it that cooperative federalism. We we cannot change our habit unless we can't change our future unless we can't change our habit. And if we want to see a developed India by coming 2047, then we need to focus and get free from the all electoral constant electoral chaos, because today it can only free us from give us political stability, allowing government to focus on a long way. That is one vision, one election, one unstoppable future for us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.